guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how much has my 64 plate had off me since owning her. At first she was fine for the first month, and then she was losing performance and stuff, so I took her to my ex-mechanic now, and he showed me all the filters were fully loaded with dirt, and he showed me AdBlue was sprayed all over the engine. But he says it just needed an AdBlue cap, and he had one lying around, so he just put one on for me. But she was going through loads of AdBlue. It's only £10 for 10,000 litres of AdBlue, so that wasn't the problem. The problem was buying it and getting someone to put it in for you, because it's quite heavy, and it is a two-man job to pour it in, to be fair, in my eyes anyway. So she had a second service, and that was in July 2019. Still going through loads of AdBlue. So then she had a safety recall on the EGR cooler. One branch messed me about. They had my cars for 2 days and they wouldn't give me a hire car, so I demanded my car back. And then it was booked in with another branch who buggered it up. So you can see why I'm a bit annoyed now, because the diagnostics from my ex-mechanic and the RAC first, the RAC stated it was the diesel particulate filter. So the next day I booked her in for a clean, and I also went to BMW as well, to the same branch where she was. And they gave me an explanation, but it was a load of rubbish, because it was the same explanation that the RAC gave me. So anyway, I done the diesel particulate filter cleaning for the AdBlue pipe. And the manifold, that was under warranty, they paid $1,100. But unfortunately, because the engine's full of carbon, they won't continue with the turbos or whatnot. It's just mental. So as you can see, I'm a bit annoyed with the way I've been treated with all these cars. And my van, my lovely big huge relay. So as you can see, I'm really hurting over this ordeal. It's really getting to me, to be fair. I'm not just going to leave it just like that, because I truly believe it was due to the safety recall. And obviously she must have been defective beforehand, because I don't trust the organisation with the way the other two cars were defective as well. So all these organisations will have to fight amongst each other. I don't want to know. You know, I've had enough now. So obviously I'm going to have to fight the bank. That's who the financial ombudsman are investigating, guys, because they bought the car. It's quite difficult, because it's going to cost me loads of money, because I'm going to have to fight the bank, I'm going to have to fight the organisation who sold me 3 cars, and then I'm going to have to fight BMW over the safety recall. So I'm going to have to pay the public barrister a load of bloody money, and then 3 court cases. It's easy for organisations just to put the blame on the member of the public. But this member of the public will fight you all the way, all 3 of you. And all you 3 can fight amongst yourselves. So a little history of why I am the way I am with my motors, especially with my 64 plate BMW X5. I bought her to drive, not to be parked up dead. Imagine paying £5,000 more on top of £36,000. You've already got a car and you've got to buy another car for £5 grand, because the 36 grand car don't work. See, my case is a tricky one, because she's part finance. The financial ombudsman are only dealing with that side of it, with the bank, who didn't investigate the BMW group either over the safety recall. They just demanded a letter off the garage, and the garage refused, and that was that. Now I'm going to find out what my next steps are once I hear from the financial ombudsman. So I will give you an update on how much the car cost in total to be back on road for a 64 plate BMW X5. And then obviously an update on the financial decision, and then also what my next steps. Thank you for following me on my journey. I really appreciate it. I wish you all a lovely evening or morning, wherever you are in the world. I'm going to pop into Mother's now and make sure she's okay. Take care. Thank you so much again. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Take care. Good night.